In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image in Canva. If you've ever found the perfect picture but there's some unwanted caption or watermark-like text on it, this quick method will help you clean it up so the image looks seamless. Start by opening Canva in your browser and uploading the image you want to edit. You can drag and drop it into Canva or use the Uploads panel, then place the image onto a blank design so it fills the canvas. Click the picture once to make sure it's selected. You'll see a bounding box and the Edit Image button appear. Next, click Edit Image. Depending on your version of Canva, look for Magic Eraser or Open Background Remover and access the eraser there. Both options let you brush over areas you want to remove. Choose the eraser tool and get ready to paint over the text. Move your cursor over the text and carefully brush across it. Take your time and use short strokes. If the letters are small or sit close to detailed areas, reduce the brush size so you can work more precisely. If you erase too much, don't worry, press undo or use the restore brush when available to bring parts back. The tool uses AI to blend the removed area with the surrounding background, so after a second or two you should see the text disappear and the area fill in naturally. For fine details, zoom in so you can see the edges clearly. Use the zoom controls in the corner to get close, then pan around the image as needed. This is especially helpful on textured backgrounds like wood, fabric, or gradients, where careful brushing gives the most natural result. When you're happy with the cleanup, click Apply or Done to confirm the changes. Give Canva a moment to process everything, and then review the image at normal size to make sure it looks consistent. If you'd like to replace what you removed, you can add new text or graphics. Open the Text tab to insert a heading or a simple label, pick a font and color that match your design, and position it where you want. You can also explore the Elements tab for shapes, icons, or stickers to complement the look. And that's it. That's how you remove text from an image in Canva. Thanks for watching.